Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can convert images to PDF in your iPhone or Android device. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So process is exactly the same even if you are on iPhone or an Android, so it doesn't matter. You need to install this app Cam Scanner. You can install that in your App Store or even Play Store. So just click on it to launch that. Now in the bottom, click on the camera icon and you can even import the images or you can capture with your camera. Once you have got your image, you can click on the next button and then again click on the check button, and from here on the top you will see PDF option. Click on this option and here you can save your image as a PDF file. You can simply click on the share button and you can share it with your friends, or you can upload on your drive and download it later. And that's how you can convert your photos to PDF in iPhone or Android. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.